So in this section of this video, we will see how you can create sections in Microsoft Form. So here you can see, you can come down here. You just want to divide this form in two sections. So for example, first name, last name in first section and other informations in second section. In that case, you will come here. For example, here. So there you can see drop down, click on drop down and select sections. So you can see two sections here, section 1 and section 2, and this is what you can also name it. For example, we can just duplicate, remove, add branching. So let me go in edit mode. So I will type here the name section, and then we'll go here again, call it other information. So this is how you can create sections. And also you can create branching. For example, if I want to add branch, so I can add a branch. So after this, we can click if end of the form or other information. So that is how you can sectionize and then create that. After submitting this form, it will go to this form or this form. So that is the branching. Like sometimes we need to create form in a different branch. Like if this information is right, go to this that branch or go to this branch. So that is what we can do here. For example, they will submit this form, then click on next. On the click of next, we can take them either to the end of form, either on other sections. So they will come to other sections. So you can also create some other sections and you can move them to the name section. So this is how you can organize your branch. But here we don't need that. In that case, we'll just click next and next. So in next, they will go to the other form, then they will fill. So let's see how it will work. Collect responses. So we will go here, copy link and paste here. So you can see, we can only see these two options. So sometimes client will not able to see that you have multiple fields. They will just fill it out and it will take them to the next form. So this is quite easy because if you will show all those fields in the first glance, they will just have some kind of like they will not fill it. So in that case, what we can do is Sandeep, and then you can fill last name, Mishra, next. So then you can see the the complete information which we are looking from that particular customer. So I will add here and then email. And requirement, demo, and submit. So this is how you can see, like once you submit it, you will go here and see the response. Also, if you want to save this form, you will click on collect response and you can select like anyone can respond. The only people in my organization can respond. So best to have anyone can respond, and then you can save this link with them. Also, you can make it shorten. So you will share a short URL to your customer and clients. Here you can see we have QR code. So you can share QR code and they will just scan and get access of this form. If you want to have the iframe, like you want to embed in your website or somewhere, you can use embed and then you can share with your customer, add on your website, and from there you can access this form. So this is how you can create branching, you can share with people and collect information from your clients, vendor, and suppliers.